Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting materials. Foam board, a 1/2 PVC core for stiffness, strong contact cement, and sandpaper. First, sketch the blade shape at 80-90 cm and add a penguin silhouette near the guard. This gives form and character. Once traced, cut 2 identical foam halves with a sharp utility knife while holding pieces flat and steady. Make shallow passes to avoid tearing. Once the outlines are free, lightly sand edges so the halves will mate cleanly and align on the core. You now join structure and detail. Apply contact cement to the PVC core and inner foam faces, then press halves together, aligning edges and penguin motif. Clamp and let cure for 30-60 minutes so seams hold. Once bonded, carve bevels into the blade with a rasp, then sand 120 to 220 grit for a clean line. This creates a convincing blade profile. Make feather textures by shallow scoring and adding thin EVA foam layers at the guard, heat shaping them to mimic a winged silhouette. You finish by priming the foam with flexible gesso so paint won't crack. Let dry fully. Then apply a base coat, matte black for body or metallic silver for blade, using thin layers to avoid sogginess. Paint the penguin belly and beak with opaque whites and oranges, adding subtle shading for depth, then seal everything with a flexible clear coat. If edges separate or the blade wobbles, stop and reglue seams, clamp for 24 hours, and reinforce the core recess with a small epoxy fillet to restore strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.